I think truly CDP isn't an identity crisis, and it's for good reason. It's because you can't be a data product for marketers that doesn't have very clear, tangible end customer value. And so I think where CDP is headed, and I think it's headed in the right direction, and I think for a couple different reasons, is it's needs to move closer to exactly the use cases it's solving and make that extremely clear to marketers. And where I think CDP is going is really they're becoming experience engines. They're becoming a customer experience engine. What they are there for is to leverage the data you have about your customer to deliver an experience in one of the channels you can communicate with your customer to achieve a specific business outcome, whether that's reducing churn, increasing your sign up rates, increasing your LTV for a specific product category. It's supposed to be that experience engine to drive that. So instead of your marketers randomly logging in and going into their email tool and deciding to send an email, a birthday email, because it's their customer's birthday and they're just going to run that ongoing, you want an experience engine that actually understands where all of your customers are in their journey and then can help your marketers actually deliver an experience that drives a business goal. So that's where CDP needs to go. It needs to tie that story together much better than it has to date, because it's no longer, you can't just talk about customer 360 for months and have companies buy that. Technical teams and marketers, both sides, have been burned by CDPs. If anybody's ever implemented a CDP, either if you're in IT, you're frustrated for creating data pipelines. On the marketing side, you're frustrated of waiting for value. And so there's been frustrations on either side. And if you've believed in the power of orchestrating a customer experience across channels, if you've seen value in that for your company and seen that North Star, what I'm here to tell you is now it's actually possible. Something's changed fundamentally in the technology to now make that possible, and that is composable CDP. You can now, as a builder, innovator organization, actually build your data layer, build for your AI future, and orchestrate the customer experiences the way you want to, and get faster time to value so marketing comes along with you. So I talk to a lot of IT leaders, and that's the biggest surprise. Whenever you talk about CDP, a lot of folks get wary. They're like, I've tried that once. And composable actually changes it all. And it's actually the future of where these organizations are going to go with AI, is they're going to need a layer like a composable CDP as an orchestration layer to really deliver on the future of marketing.